Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to change your Facebook Messenger ringtone on your Messenger app. And now without further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Now to change the Facebook Messenger ringtone, let's open up our Messenger app first. After opening your Messenger app, you can see your profile picture icon on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile picture icon like this, and this is the interface of Messenger settings. And let's scroll down. You will be required to scroll down. You can see the notification and sounds option available over here under the category preference, and just below the avatar, tap on notifications and sounds, and on this you can see the ringtone option available over here, which is the second one. Tap over there, and you can see all these options available over here for your ringtone messenger. Now if you want to change them, you can choose them accordingly to your preference. For me, I will be just putting the messenger ringtone. And there guys, this is how you change your Facebook messenger ringtone on your Facebook account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.